What's going on, folks? Once again, I'm from Tech Pits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. The sun is up, so let's use it to fuck with cancer. I don't think there's a person alive who hasn't been touched by cancer. And cancer has touched all of us without asking. And I want to use computers and my capacity to understand them, to touch cancer back. And I'm going to touch cancer all over. Dream Labs is where we go to hunt for cells. We can tell which cells are bad with math. The same math that we use to figure out that black holes actually exist before we knew that they existed. Before we seen them, we had math that said it existed. And this math can be used to mess cancer up. World Community Grid has... Oh, this one's cracked, so it's not going to work. World Community Grid has one that specifically focuses on childhood cancer. Now, my dad had cancer when I was little, and that kind of took away part of my childhood. So I have a little bit of a vengeful streak in me. And I would like to make sure that few kids ever have the issues I did. Dad was supposed to pass away when I was 3. He had carcinoid syndrome. He survived so much that a lot of different kinds of people came through. I had to sit and hear the kinds of questions that they would ask him. He never had the answer that they wanted. He only provided nuance and sometimes more questions. The darkest part of it is he asked them to get back to him, and few ever did. Maybe if enough people do this, fewer people will have to. So, my ex has breast cancer, and she had a phone that I could put on this, and she wasn't using it. She was not using it. She absolutely was not using it. When I found it, it was pretty much stuck to a table in congealed chocolate milk. Even though she had cancer, she would not lend it to me to help fight cancer. And I'm almost wondering if we take all of the systems that we have right now trying to mine Bitcoin and put them to trying to solve cancer, could we? I kind of think we can. Now, we all like to blame corporations for not fighting cancer, but we have the ability to now. I'm I'm pulling the power from the sun to do it. We got to get on this, guys.